Did you know that Sydney has more than twice the number of fish species than the entire coastline of the United Kingdom? That we have a number of species that live here that live nowhere else in the world? And that within a stone's throw of land we have a number of protected and endangered species, like grey nurse sharks and weedy sea dragons? In this self-paced online course, you'll learn about the unique and amazing marine life that lives here in Australia's largest city. The course is made up of 8 modules, each one taking about an hour online. It has more than 250 slides, over 500 photographs, and more than 50 videos to illustrate Sydney's marine life. In Module 1, we look at Sydney's underwater environment and the unique mix of habitats that provide homes for our marine life. In Module 2, megafauna and protected species, including whales, dolphins, seals and sharks. In Module 3, the most colourful and diverse of our marine habitats, rocky reefs and the fishes that live on them, and then in Module 4, the invertebrates. We then cover seagrass and soft sediment habitats and the curious creatures that live in these. In Module 6, one of the harshest of our marine habitats, the intertidal zone. Module 7, how humans have changed our marine environment and what that means for our marine life. And finally, we look at marine conservation and how you might be able to make a difference to our marine life in Sydney. During the course, we cover each major class of animal and we look at the species that are most commonly found in the Sydney area. We use a lot of slides like this one so you can compare the characteristics of one species against another and learn how to tell them apart. We focus in on a range of curious critters. For example, these 4 photographs are all the same species of anglerfish. And we talk about how you can tell this species from others. We also talk about a number of key scientific concepts. In this slide we're talking about how juveniles arrive on the East Australian current from the tropics and how we decide whether or not a population has been established. We also talk about why tropical species don't typically survive the winter in Sydney, although that is changing. And you can also see on this slide there is a video. We use videos to explain key concepts and illustrate them in the Sydney area. At the end of each module there's a short quiz for you to test your knowledge, and on completion of the course you'll receive a certificate from Marine Explorer. So to find out more, please visit our website or email me directly, john@marineexplorer.org.